What's going on, Facebook world? It's your boy Trav with Trade the Trendz. Hey, it's been a lot of talk going on a lot lately with the Colin Kaepernick, being, the face of Nike for his Just Do It campaign. So what I want to do is I actually want to help a lot of people who really want to support the movement and really don't know how. Like, how do I support? How do I get involved with Nike, whether it's stock, whether it's investing? Do I buy Nike shoes? Do I buy Nike socks? Actually, no, you should actually buy Nike stocks. Okay. Definitely want to buy the stocks instead. Okay. So I'm going to share this with a lot of people, that just to make sure they follow this. So if you're looking at this right now, whether live or on the replay, make sure you do three things for me. Like this video, share this video, and comment any questions you may have. If you've already, registered, got a broker, already with Robinhood or any other app, that sells Nike stocks, and you just want some more help, definitely, reach out and do so. Okay. Also, anything else, if you don't already have Robinhood, I'm telling you, this is the easiest and simple way for beginners to actually get started investing with $5, right? You don't need a lot to start. A lot of people always ask, how much do I need to have in the bank to start? I want to have thousands of dollars. Actually, you don't need to start there, of course, because if you wait, you're going to miss a lot of money on the way, right? I'd rather have oatmeal than no meal. That's one thing I've always said. Okay, so I just want to make sure everyone is following. Right now, I'm going to give it a few more seconds to see if we can get anybody else on real quick before I get started. Let's see. All right, so I just got that shared out for us. I'm just going to make sure we get this shared everywhere, all over everything. All right, discard that. Cool. All right, so basically what we're looking at right now is the weekly chart for Nike. And basically what that means is, what's a weekly chart, right? So real quick example, of course, is the candlesticks. As you guys can see, these green candles, they're like, what is that? So basically this is a time period. This is a week in time. Okay, this is a week in time. So basically, as you can see, looking at this red line here, that basically week over week, Nike has done pretty decent of going actually in an upward trend, which meaning the Nike market is bullish. Okay, meaning it's in an uptrend. And guys, if you really don't know exactly what that means, definitely look at the video. TradeTheTrendz.com. Register for that 10-minute training. It's a free 10-minute training. It's just going to show you how did I learn to read charts, right? And that's how I learned. So definitely look at that. And if you're in the Richmond, Virginia area this Saturday, we're gonna be doing this live also. For anyone in the Richmond, Virginia area, just go ahead and RSVP at itradeva.info. Everything is already in the link in the comments. Okay, so follow. Okay, so went over what a candlestick is real quick. The uptrend, you may hear people say, hey, the market is bullish today, which means, hey, the market is up today, which, as you can see, Nike is in the uptrend. But based on the controversy, right, we have seen, a somewhat downtrend, right? You see the gap. And the reason why you see gaps here is because the market closes every day at a certain time, right? The stock market closes every day, I believe, around 5 or 6 p.m., right? So basically, when the market closed yesterday versus when it opened today, based on the somewhat controversy, right? I know a lot of people have seen, a lot of Nike customers burning their merchandise and things like that, protesting, really not understanding the protest. But the power of the black dollar has so much more influence. And that's why, a lot of Americans actually, sell things that actually impact the black community, because our purchasing power is so high compared to everyone else. We're consumers, right? Black culture is only known to consume, right? We're not known to invest, right? We're not known to invest. So we are actually helping and putting money into the investors' pockets and the business owner pockets, because we're buying up everything they're selling, right? So this is our chance really to get on the other side, of the market, right? To get on the right side of the quadrant, to get on the right side of money. Right, Nike is doing something huge right now. And this is a chance for everyone to really get involved at low cost of about $5, right? As you guys can see, my prediction is that basically we do see it's a downtrend. I do see this zone here being about what I did is I did take my Fibonacci. Of course, I know these terms may not, you may not understand, but of course, if you sign up for that free 10-minute training, we'll walk you through how you can actually get access to 24/7 training and learn to invest and trade and do everything yourself. Okay. But basically what I took it from its last low, right? This is as low its low that it's been to its highest high, right? So from 0 to 100. So basically what that's saying is based on the market of its downtrend, I believe it is going to retrace or come back down to this 50% zone, right? It's going to come, down to the 75. Okay. It's going to come down to the 75 zone. And basically what I see at that point is it then going to hit this zone, which I'm going to call a level of support or floor, which meaning, hey, it's going to hit the floor. And when things bounce off the floor, they bounce up, right? So this is going to be your prime entry point. Okay. And this entry point actually, let me actually go to it. All right. So actually going to it here, just looking at it now, because I'm actually on the page. I know I was kind of looking at it a different way. So let me see. Okay. So basically that zone here is, like I said, the 75, right? So that's actually right now it's at about 79.97. It just dropped 79.94. If you're a trader and was on the sale, you'd have made you'd have made 3 pips on the buy or the sell, right? But that's just for my traders. That's a little more intense. But what I am saying is going to hit this zone, right? So it's going to be between 75.89 and 73.81 is what I'm looking for the market to break in this zone, right? And then what I'm looking forward to do is, as you see this candlesticks, I then want to see, maybe 1-2 candlesticks going into the right direction. At that point, once it hits this zone, because if it breaks through this zone, then hey, maybe that's something I don't want to get in yet. Okay. And that's the thing about getting into investment or trading. The entry point is so important, right? You want to know when to enter. You want to know when to exit. Getting in right now isn't always the best thing because we see, hey, it's on this downtrend. So if I buy now, I'm going to see a lot of loss, right? I'm going to see, a lot of loss. And new investors or new traders don't know how to handle that mentally, right? Because trading or investing is really a mental game. And we also should be trading with risk capital. That means money that we're looking to actually, not really worry about, right? That's money we're not really looking to worry about in a sense of it's risk capital, right? Or disposable income as we're taught. Something that I don't need right away to pay the rent or pay the mortgage. I'm only invest with risk capital because trading and investing does take risk, right? There's no guarantees in life. So again, my confirmation is I'm going to look at this for the next few weeks. We're going to see what's going on. The best thing to do is go ahead. If you don't have the Robinhood trading app, go ahead and use the link that you see in the comments in the description. And basically what that does is free to register. You're actually going to get a free share of stock from a company. And guess what? I'm going to get a free share as well just by you registering. So you're already going to get in the game just by registering for free. And then, of course, hey, you need to follow Trade the Trendz and watch my analysis so you can see exactly when is going to be the best entry point. But this is just going to show you exactly, hey, I'm already ready to get in the game. Okay. I know about 3 or 4 people have already reached out to me and got connected, and we're just waiting on the right entry point to get in to maximize our profits. Okay. Because that's what it's all about, maximizing profits. Because again, if we get in right here, okay, where it's at right now at 79.85, and based on my prediction, it goes down to 75, we still have to wait for it to get back to 79 just to break even, right? That's not the game we want to play. We want to make sure we can maximize profits. Buy low, sell high, right? If you've already bought Nike stock, as you can see, maybe at 64, 68, hey, this could be a great time for you to sell, right? Get your profits, wait for it to drop again, and then buy a ton more. Right? That's what real traders and investors do. Okay. So I just wanted to give everyone that snippet real quick. If you got any questions, like I said, do these 3 things for me. Like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. If you got any questions about Robinhood, if you've already registered, if you already have a registration, that's no problem. Still follow, you know, Trade the Trendz, and actually kind of see what's going on. If you don't, you know, definitely use the link in the description. You can get in there for free. Like I said, you get free stock, I get free stock. And if you're really truly, hey, I want to learn, Travis, I don't want to just follow you, but I want to learn and see how you got this information. You know, there's another link in the description, my website, tradethetrendz.com, that'll show you a 10-minute webinar on how I learned how to trade, what tools I'm using, where my education came from, where my trainings came from, and things like that. And again, if you're in Richmond, Virginia, you're watching this, make sure you're free this Saturday, guys. Get free this Saturday. We'll go over not only foreign currency, cryptocurrency, and of course, why not bring up some Nike stock and talk about it too? Because we don't trade to lose, because we trade the trends, guys. You know, one chart is the same as any other chart, and all we did was learn how to look at them, analyze them, and understand entry and exit points. Okay, so I appreciate everybody getting on. Just want to be quick and brief. Follow Trade the Trendz. Make sure you're tuned in and make sure your notifications are on, because I'm definitely going to be looking at this every few days just to see the changes that are going on. So definitely make sure you're following so you don't miss out on the money. Okay, I appreciate y'all. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.